Let's walk through the Child Maintenance Guarantee Fund calculator. When a court has ordered a parent to pay maintenance and that parent simply does not pay, the Portuguese state can pay in their place, but it pays the lower of two limits, and the second one surprises almost everybody. The page opens on a maintenance order of €250 a month, and the fund covers it in full. Now let's raise the order to €900 a month and watch what happens to the amount the fund pays. The fund does not pay 900, it pays €537.13 because the ceiling is one social support index per month, and the remaining €362.87 stays the parent's debt. And here is the part most summaries get backwards. That ceiling is per debtor, not per child. 3 children of the same parent share a single ceiling, not 3. The breakdown below shows the household weighting, the per capita income the means test uses, the ceiling, and the part the fund does not cover. Note the weighting. The law does not divide the income by the number of people. It uses a scale of 1 for the applicant, 0.7 per adult, and 0.5 per minor. One last thing. The fund pays forward and never pays the months already due, so every month of waiting is a month nobody pays. This is information, not legal advice. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.